Hi. You look a little lost. Are you okay?
Yeah. I can't find Big Ben. I'm a bit confused.
Oh, don't worry. It's not far from here. I can help you.
Really? Wow, that's great. Thank you so much.
So, is this your first time in London? You seem new here.
Yeah, it is. I arrived this morning. Everything feels different.
Ah, welcome to the city. It's busy, but it's lovely too.
Wow, I can already tell. Everything feels so grand.
Most visitors say that. The old buildings are very impressive.
Yeah, they really are. I'm from a quiet little village.
Oh, I see. Then London must feel very different.
It does. It's exciting and a little scary at the same time.
That is normal. Just give it some time. You will feel comfortable soon.
I hope so. I really want to enjoy this trip.
Oh, by the way, I am Mia. Nice to meet you.
Ah, right. I am David. Nice to meet you too.
So, what places do you want to visit? Do you have a plan?
Yeah, I do. Big Ben is first on my list.
Good choice. Everyone wants to see the famous clock.
I know. I have seen it in so many old films.
Oh, then you are going to love it. It is even better in person.
Really? Wow, now I'm even more excited.
Have you eaten anything today? There are nice bakeries nearby.
Just breakfast. Ah, I am actually getting hungry now.
Then you should try a traditional sausage roll. They are really popular here.
Oh, that sounds good. I have always wanted to try one.
Great. Let's grab one on the way. It won't take long.
Perfect. Thanks for the idea.
You're welcome. Honestly, I like helping visitors.
That's very kind. I really appreciate it.
You know, people think Londoners are always in a rush. That is not always true.
Yeah, I can see that now. You have been very warm and friendly.
Oh, look ahead. We are almost there.
Wait, really? That was quick.
Yep. Big Ben is right there.
Oh, wow. It is incredible.
Pretty amazing, right? The clock tower is so tall.
Yeah. Wow, I have never seen anything like it.